Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to start off, hold power button and volume up at the same time and select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. Now this will boot us into the bootloader first, which you will be able to see in a moment. There we go. Once this window opens up, you can let go of both of the buttons, and then using volume, for instance, down, you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right here. Press power button to confirm it. When you see the no command Android, hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up. And as you can see, this redirects us to the recovery mode. Now in here, just like before, you can use volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever selected. Now going over the options, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will bring us back to the previous page. Enter fast boot mode, obviously just takes us to fast boot mode. We have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, reboot system now, confirm it with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will now just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.